Hi everyone, it's Jasmine, and I'm back with what's new this week. I make these capsules to keep you updated on what could help you in lifestyle, business, family, and well being. Last week, we discussed how our gut bacteria may be the culprit behind sugar cravings. This week, I'd like to share healthy recipes that are delicious as they are satisfying, real soul food that warms the heart and fuels the body. During the holiday season, it's often tempting to give in to irresistible yet not so nutritious festive treats. However, by opting for smarter, healthier alternatives, you can enjoy your favorite holiday delicacies without compromising your well being or feeling guilty about your dietary choices. Here are some dishes that you can add to your holiday menu: prosciutto, that's how we say that, wrapped asparagus, cucumber, avocado, shrimp bites, snickerdoodle shake. So check out the article in my email to get the whole recipe for each dish. I always enjoy sharing my go-to recipes for gatherings, especially when they are healthy and are delicious for everyone. Personally, my system reacts to gluten, dairy, and my blood sugar can go crazy if I eat something too sweet, which translates to low energy and lack of focus. And it makes a difference in the mood too. So, in my Facebook group, the personal recipes I share are usually gluten and dairy free and as low glycemic as possible. Sometimes I take a recipe and tweak it just a little bit to check all these boxes. And I explain why I do that. I can send you the link if you wish to join the group. And let me know which one you tried. Last Saturday, I had a booth, and I want to thank all those who came to visit. I met really nice people there also. I can say that this business makes me grow so much. It allows me to share my passion for health with the capital H, and it is good for the brain and for the heart. So I wish you a season filled with joy, good health, and the most delicious flavors that nourish both body and soul. Thank you so much for watching this episode of What's New This Week. If you haven't yet joined my Wellness Resource Center, I invite you to have a look. As a member, this gives you a free access to the archived ebooks, live webinars like the one on the gut instincts with Dr. Browse, and other resources. I'll put a link if you want to subscribe. And thanks again for watching What's New This Week, and have a great week.